Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add checklist in Trello. So this is very simple. Just click on the card where you want to add a checklist. Then simply click on checklist right here and give your checklist a name and press add. As you can see, your checklist is created and you can add an item into your checklist just by typing right here and clicking on add button. Now your item is added and you can add another item and possibly attach a assignee or a due date if you want, and click on add. Now you can simply check, and as you can see, this little progress bar will tell you how many items are checked. You can also hide checked items or delete this list. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.